The Supreme Court has asked the Union government and the Delhi government to implement some concrete measures to curb air pollution in the national capital, or else the court will be compelled to pass orders, indicating that it will sit half an hour before its usual time for tomorrow's hearing. The apex court questioned why a 30-member commission for air quality management in Delhi NCR was being funded by the state exchequer when it could not pass orders to curb air pollution. The apex court asked the Commission for Air Quality to state the top sources behind air pollution, which were listed as industrial and vehicular pollution as per the Solicitor General, while Centre submitted that over 10,000 vehicles were diverted from Delhi's borders, except those carrying essential goods. The Delhi government assured the court that it was taking all pollution control measures and had impounded over 1,500 old and polluting vehicles in November itself. Ruing that despite all promises made by all governments ever since the case began in the apex court, the court observed that pollution levels were still up. The three-judge bench of CJI Justice N.B. Ramanna, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice Suryakant pulled up the Delhi government for exposing children to high air pollution levels by reopening schools. While the bench agreed with the state government that children sitting at home since nearly 2 years were facing an immense loss of studies, it also questioned the rationale of exposing civil volunteers to current levels of pollution. Delhi government submitted that they had opened schools only for willing teachers and parents of students, and pointed to the laudable work done by civil volunteers deputed for traffic and pollution control measures. Appearing for the petitioner Aditya Dubey, senior lawyer Vikas Singh urged the apex court to lift the ban on construction activity as it was affecting the general public, while seeking a stricter air quality norm for a landlocked national capital, along with a task force for the next 15 days to ensure a significant improvement in air quality. Submitting that he had never sought a ban on construction activity, the petitioner cited visible dust around the Central Vista project site, adding that no project should be allowed to continue at the cost of public health. Earlier, the Delhi government had issued a notice to the CPWD for pollution at the Central Vista project site. Delhi's Environment Minister Gopal Rai had visited the site and had claimed that he had seen violation of dust control norms and other pollution control norms, and had issued a notice to CPWD asking that on whose orders work was still being carried out at the project site despite a ban on construction activity in the national capital region. Centre had defended the construction activity, claiming that it was a project of national importance. Urging appointment of a flying squad for compliance with BS6 and other pollution control norms, the petitioner before the apex court has sought orders to prevent stubble burning from next year. It remains to be seen whether any strict measures will be initiated by the centre and the Delhi government, or the apex court will have to pass orders in this regard.